Oh, I'm back in beautiful Santa Monica again, and it's hot. And I'm going to walk again up 3rd Street. So, yeah, this should be good. Beautiful place. Look at all the palms and everything here. They're magnificent. And we're outside Tesla now, and they've got a Cybertruck in there, which we did have a look at yesterday, and it was absolutely amazing. Amazing walk up here. It's absolutely fantastic to walk up Santa Monica Place. Sorry, walk out to Santa Monica Place and up 3rd Street. We're just waiting across Broadway here, and we'll cross Broadway and we'll start heading up the street, and it's absolutely beautiful day again. A few little clouds in the sky today. We haven't had that in all the couple of weeks we've been here in the United States, but it hasn't made any difference. It's still absolutely scorching hot. All the shops are here. It's very quiet again today. I suppose weekend's coming up now, and it will get busier throughout the weekend. Very peaceful, beautiful trees as we walk in between them all here. JD, that's been revamped. I don't know when that's going to reopen, but it is closed at the moment. Empty shops here. So there's a couple of empty shops that side as well. And we are coming up now to the amazing Apple store. It's a real nice story in Santa Monica. So I've just come out of the Apple store, and it was absolutely beautifully cool in there with the air conditioning. But I'm back on the street now, and my word, I'm scorched. I've never been so hot in all my life. It's incredible. You don't realise, do you, just how hot it is here in California. It's tremendous. Beautiful place. And it's a lovely place to live, I would imagine, as well. They've got so much you can do here. You'd never run out like us. We do YouTube. I don't think you'd ever run out of anywhere to go and film. There's so many different places. So beautiful. What do they call it? All the palms and everything, they're just absolutely gorgeous here. You really will miss these when we're not here. So we'll keep on heading up 3rd Street now. And we'll go up to the top. And then we'll walk down to the park on the ocean side and check that out again before eventually we go on the pier. When you think California, even through the winter, yeah, alright, it's a little bit cooler, but most days are like this, beautiful blue, sunny skies. It's amazing. More dinosaurs there. They look wonderful. So, like I say, there's not as many people as there normally is. It is quite quiet here today. People are just sitting, chilling on these amazing chairs. And here, from this restaurant here, there's two of these carts where you can order your food. They'll pop it in there and they'll deliver it to your door for you. Pretty amazing. So we're coming to the next road here. We're coming to Arizona. So we need to cross Arizona and then walk up the next block. So directly across there we've got Foot Locker. Like I say, when you walk up here, you don't seem to realise how far you've come up. But then when you go down past the parklands, it tends to dawn on you how far you've walked up 3rd Street. But it's a good way from where you get on the waterfront to where you get to the pier. They're just opening this little restaurant cafe up. It mustn't open till 12 o'clock. Just coming up to 12 now. Again, as we walk up here, we've got all these chairs in the middle, all these coloured chairs, so people can sit down and chill out and relax. They've got blue, green, yellow, orange and red. There's a guy moved the red one and he's sitting under the shade of that tree on it there. So as we walk up here, we've got more of them. And we'll have a look what colour they are. So here we've got a dark blue, a light blue, a green, a yellow, an orange and a red. And we've got games we can play, so we can play Connect 4. Or we can play chess. And that's all outside here on 3rd Street Promenade. Quite amazing. I sit on one of them chairs on phone. No. So on both of the Connect 4 games, there's people playing it. And then here now we've got this amazing restaurant where you can either sit in the middle or sit in the end. Not open yet, but I suppose it will open up soon. So we're coming up now to Wilshire, at the top of 3rd Street. So I hope you've enjoyed the video I've done for you today of Wilshire Boulevard. So we'll be back soon on the next video. Back on the ocean front. I think we're going to do something a little bit different. We're not going to walk all the way along the parklands. We are going to go down and walk along the houses that are and the apartments. So there's like a load of steps we'll go down in a second, cross over the Pacific Coast Highway and walk where I'm showing you now on that boardwalk there. So that should be really different.